Hello, my name is Karen Daniela Casas Buenas Torres. I am a student at the Dominican University of Telecommunication Engineering. I am 23 years old. I work as the technical support advisor in a company called World Office, and this is my presentation. My favorite and chosen movie is called The Origin of the Warrens. My favorite genre is animated dolls. I like it for the messaging and the magic instrument it deals with all those festivities that we know, such as Christmas, Easter, the Tooth Fairy, and the mission so important in the upbringing of children for a good foundation are about adult security and confidence. All the characters are in charge of mission. His boss is the moon and he chooses a new variant and Shield has given his life for his sister and the town made him special. Although he was always just be ordered in charge and even he did not know he had been chosen and only Turks. Travelers if he was not make children happy with this knock. Of course, as any movie, that bad guy would to take dreams and the force children not to believe. In the end, it is Jack who saves them and manages to find himself. I really like the plot, the power to believe, and it is message. This is my movie. Thank you all.